What's up, how you doing? Welcome to Apple Tech Review. So today I want to show you how you can run a wireless mouse on your phone mobile. So if you're someone who likes a piece of tech, who likes to always be updated, so this is the way how we can run a wireless mouse. I've also made a video how you can use mouse which is not wireless, also keyboard, how to connect it. So this is what you need. You need a mouse which is wireless. Mouse will come with this a USB, which it will help you connect on this cable. This is cable with this side it has port, not like this type. No, it has port where you will connect this USB for the mouse. When you connect it like this, then connect it to your mobile. So when you connect it like this, either the mobile has damaged screen, you will still be able to run it with your mouse, as you can see. So once you connect these two and connect on your phone, that you will be able to run your mobile. Either you are here or you are sitting somewhere far, you'll still be able to access and do anything. So this is this left click will work as opening or selecting, then this right click it will work as back or a backspace. So once you enter anywhere and you click this button, it will work as backspace. So from this mouse, even if you're in any distance, it can still work as long as you are able to see what is happening on your screen. So that is the way how you can connect it. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one.